What Colorado had to change was they needed to set it up so that properties would still be sold at auction, to the highest bidder, so that there would be money that would be left over, an overbid that would be left over for the property owner. And so that is basically what is changing here. They've turned into a tax deed application state now, or a state similar to what Florida does, in that now they sell tax liens just like they always have. But what just changed is what happens at the end of that redemption period. So in the past, maybe the lien holder could just foreclose on the property. Now, when the redemption period expires, the county schedules. Actually, the lien holder applies for a tax deed, and that prompts the county to schedule the property for an auction.
Yeah, exactly. So before, where the lien holder would do the foreclosure and then acquire the property, now they're just taking those properties and they're offering up at a tax deed sale. And whoever purchased them at the tax deed sale will go ahead and pay off the interest in the lien holder's investment. So everyone gets paid in this circumstances, as far as the lien holder gets paid back their investment, and then the property is sold to as a tax deed, where people can actually acquire the property, which can create some type of overbid amount that can go back to the property owner.
Yeah. And so, yeah, basically by the high bidder acquiring the property, all of the, they're going to use the proceeds from that to pay off any of the liens that exist. So including all of those tax liens that exist. So including the lien holder that filled out the tax deed application, they're going to get paid off for their initial investment plus the interest rate that they've earned, up to that point. And also, what's different about this is, in addition to all that being paid off, there's still going to be an excess amount of money that is left over, between what was owed in taxes and how much the property sold for, which is called the overbid. That money is supposed to go to the property owner that basically lost the property at the time of foreclosure.